Good morning, Red Dirt family. It's Aaron Hautala with Cuyuna.com, Cuyuna Adventure Town, USA. It is Monday, March 15th. I think it's been a year since I did a Cuyuna cast. Sorry for the delay. We're back. Today we're talking about spring kits because believe it or not, spring is going to come and you're going to need a new kit. You don't have to have one, but you could have one and that would be a lot of fun. So let's talk about it, should we? This is our spring lineup of cycling kits for Cuyuna, Cuyuna.com. We work with Primal on this. Primal is out of Denver, Colorado. Going back 10 years ago, I established a relationship with Primal when I was the president of the Cuyuna Lakes mountain bike crew. And way back then, they were the only ones that would return an email when the word Cuyuna was attached because it was an unknown. So we thank Primal for their help way back then and even today. So the first item up for bid on the spring kit is the Backcountry ILEC mountain bike kit. You see the women's in blue, you see the men's in orange, re-entry orange as we call it. There's pockets in the shorts in the back or in the front. There's actually a slip pocket on the reverse of the jersey. That was something we worked with Primal to have in there because I just wanted a pocket on the jersey. Really like pockets on the jerseys. And a Velcro adjustable waist because I don't know about you, but that's pretty helpful for me. And I really appreciate that. And a relaxed fit, which I definitely appreciate. What I like about this backcountry kit and why we worked on it with Primal is a couple things. Let's talk about it. Longer sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. If you wear elbow pads, they cover it up. It's pretty cool. The shorts, they're going to go down to your knees too, kind of an enduro short. So if you have knee pads, that's okay. If you've ridden Cruiser's Kettle, when Morocco opens up, you're going to probably want to wear pads. It's going to be a new thing in Cuyuna. Not everybody will do it. I will do it though. I guarantee you I'll be wearing them because our trails are going up in difficulty. And here's a kit that's going to help you get through it and look good doing it. $69.95 for the top, $79.95 for the bottom shorts. You can buy them individually. You can buy it as a kit. It's your choice. It's choose your own adventure in Adventure Town, USA. Let's keep moving forward. Now, these ones are really cool. They were spurred from when we did our winter cycling kits. They were blaze orange because they needed to be for hunting, small game hunting in the fall. But then what we also learned when we were riding along the roads in the winter, cars started seeing us and they slowed down and they went around us a lot farther and we were visible. And I think as a cyclist, it's important to remember that we need to do our part for the motorists so they can see us. So this is our Omni high beam road and gravel kit. You can wear this on the mountain bike trails if you want. No one will make fun of you. I will be wearing it on the mountain bike trails. But really, the safety behind this is for the road riders and the gravel riders. So it's visible in low light, not only because it's blaze orange and blaze magenta, but as the sun goes down and there's less light around, check out what this jersey does when headlights would hit it. You can see in a sincere low light environment, if a headlight hits your jersey, you are going to stand out in a very big way. You will not be invisible. And that is ultra important for your health. So this is one of our safety initiatives that we worked with Primal on. We're happy to reveal it, release it. I will be wearing it on the road rides because I believe in what it is. And I think motorists appreciate seeing us too, to be honest. Full length invisible zipper, 3 angled rear pockets. The angle makes it a lot easier to grab the shop locks or the water bottle. I don't know if any of you have a problem grabbing and putting those back in the middle of the ride. I do. So I like the angle, so it makes it easier. And then it's a slim fit, which means for me, if I normally take an XL, I'm probably going to take a 2XL or maybe even 3. I have to do the measurements. It's slim fit is slim, and I am not slim. But I can get a size that does work for me, but it's not your normal size, trust me. These are a little more expensive, $99.95 for the top because those reflective dots aren't normal. They cost more, but they're safe. It's like an insurance policy a little bit. And $119.95 for the bibs. The bibs are the top quality chamois that you can get with Primal. And yeah, it's not a spare no expense kit, but it's a very nice kit. It's worth its money. Let's keep moving. So this is the Rally, and we put this for mountain, gravel, road. You can wear this to date night if you want. It's really okay. I love the design and all of these. We designed these with Primal. We're not just picking stuff off the shelf. I mean, it's custom design graphic design for all of it that we're putting here together at Cuyuna.com. But what I like about that is kind of it. Number one, it looks like a tree line that's vertical. So it kind of reminds me of our forest. But second of all, it just reminds me of the renaissance of our area and how it just, it like, wow, here we go. And another great thing, guess what? They're visible. So, when small game hunting season comes this fall, if the weather's still kind and nice, you can wear this and you'll have that orange that hunters want to see and need to see. Same with the women's in pink. It is a color for multiple reasons other than just being nice looking. It's a safety issue and a safety item, and it's multi-purpose. 3 rear cargo pockets for the water bottle, the gels, whatever you'd like to put back there. A full-length zipper, a standard fit, which means it's a little closer to a normal fit, but it's still tighter than normal. So if I wear an extra large t-shirt, I probably wouldn't get an extra large jersey. I'd probably get a size larger still. But again, you should check your measurements. We have all the measurements on the website, so you can check those out, Cuyuna.com. $69.95 on the top, $99.95 on the bibs. And again, both women's and men's kits in all of these are, the actual jerseys are custom fit for the gender. So you're not just getting the same thing with a different design. You're getting a kit that's actually fitted for a woman's shape or a men's shape. And that was a big thing we wanted to do this year, that it wasn't just, okay, we call it women's, even though it's the same as the men's. No, it's actually intended for the user this time. Let's keep rolling. Now this is new. This is our Activate shirt. We heard on social media, on email, on the trails that, boy, we'd like all your stuff, but not all of us can afford it. We want to have it, but we'd like to afford it. And we need something more than a t-shirt, because when we go out there in the summer in the t-shirt, we soak that thing real quick. So we've been working and working and working. And with Primal, we came up with the Activate shirt, which is a jersey style shirt. It's not a jersey. It doesn't have the pockets. It doesn't have the sewing. It doesn't have what a lot of those jerseys have, but it's at an affordable price point, or I should say a more affordable price point. And it's actually, even though it's a shirt, it's developed with consideration to muscle compression, elastic recovery, and most importantly to me, overall great looks. It's about the color. How do I buy a bike? Well, the color. Isn't that how you're supposed to buy a bike? The color. Anyways, it's relaxed fit, which is nice. It means you can wear it anywhere and it won't make you feel weird. And $39.95. It's not a t-shirt price, but it's not a t-shirt. It's not a jersey price. It's less than a jersey because it's not a jersey. It's right there in the middle, and it's men's and women's. Men's is the orange, women's is the teal. And it's another product we wanted to bring to the market because we heard from you that you'd like it. So we're happy to do that and excited to see y'all wearing it too. So let's keep moving. The cycling cap was a fun thing to do, and it was a real design challenge because the position that I put there is I want this cap to work with any of our kits, and especially the rally kit and the high beam kit. And on the front of the cycling cap, you can see the dots of the high beam design. And on the back of the cycling cap, you can see basically the forest or the swoosh of the rally cap, or the rally kit design. So that's super cool. The Cuyuna logo's on the front. Under the brim is our slogan, Adventure Town USA, with our favorite state, Minnesota, and a star right where we are in the state. So it was fun to be able to combine all that together. Again, you can buy the cap all by itself if that's all you'd like for $14.95. Pretty affordable, pretty cool, looks cool. These are important for Minnesota, especially right now. I mean, thermal knee warmers, come fall, come spring, the weather changes. And when it's below, I can't remember what the real Jim McCarville says, but it's on our website. But if it's below 50 degrees or 60, he might even say, it's knee warmer time, because it helps your joints. It helps keep things limber. It doesn't tighten up, less risk of injury. $34.95, and they're thermal. I didn't want to get just the normal knee warmers because it didn't feel like they do anything. These are thermal. They'll help you be warmer. Same thing with the arm warmers. The beauty of arm warmers or knee warmers, if you get too hot, you take them off, you put them in your pocket, you keep going. But to have them is key. And when you don't have them, it hurts. It can be too cold. They're thermal again. They're not just one layer of jersey-like material. They're a thermal layer. And again, same price as a knee warmer, $34.95. So the final day, and that's why I'm telling you this today on Monday, the 15th, the final day is St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. After that, the team store that we've created with Primal will no longer be there. You won't have the ability to buy these again. And the good news is when you order by the 17th, you will actually receive this in the mail, direct from Primal on May Day. That's May 1st. So you will have a gift for May Day. And that's really cool because starting in May, that's when it's time. When it's time to hit. You got to plan now to be ready to hit it in May. 10%, I like always saying this, 10% of this sale of everything people buy goes right back to the Cuyuna Lakes mountain bike crew for their volunteer trail maintenance on the mountain bike trails. Super important. We give back. We try to help them. They obviously do an important job. And the best way to find all of this and all the details, there's tons of details on all these. Every measurement, you have it all there. It's for you. Cuyuna.com, click on the shop tab, and then you'll see the kits, and you can click right there, and there is more information there than you'd ever hoped for. But we wanted to provide you the material, the makeup of the material, the sizes, so you'd have everything you need to make a good choice for what kit you're going to wear this spring. So with that, I'm going to say thank you. And on behalf of Cuyuna and Cuyuna.com and Cuyuna Adventure Town, USA, thank you for watching this incredibly long film. And I hope you buy a kit. And if not, thank you for loving on Cuyuna. We appreciate you. Have a great day.